Everyone thinks the best-selling trail running shoes are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Brooks Ghost 16 GTX. First up is the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 GTX waterproof neutral running shoe. Priced at around $139, this shoe immediately caught my attention with its striking country blue color and weatherproof design. If you want a shoe that keeps your feet dry and comfortable no matter the conditions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ghost 16 features a DWR mesh upper that not only protects against rain but also manages temperature, so your feet don't overheat on warm days. It has nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning for that soft underfoot feel, which is crucial when you're hitting rocky trails. Plus, the outsole is designed with all-weather traction, offering a solid grip even when the path gets slippery. With over 300 sales in the last month, it's clear that people are loving this shoe. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high for a trail shoe. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your trail running and want that extra comfort and protection, this investment could save you from discomfort and injuries down the line. This is perfect for you if you run in various weather conditions and need a dependable shoe. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight specifically for dry terrains, since this shoe is built for all-weather use. Now, if the price of the Ghost 16 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a budget-friendly option. Product number 2, WHITIN Zero Drop Shoes. Next, we have the WHITIN Men's Zero Drop Running Shoes, priced at just $55.63. This caught my eye because of its wide toe box design, making it a solid choice for comfort. If you want a minimalist shoe that feels natural and won't break the bank, this deserves your attention. Plus, the wide toe box allows your toes to splay out, which is something many runners overlook but is crucial for comfort on longer runs. Although it lacks the cushioning of pricier options, the simplicity and breathability really shine through. This model has gained over 200 sales, proving its popularity. Now, some users pointed out that the lack of cushioning can feel harsh on rocky trails. But here's the thing, if you prefer a more grounded feel and are used to minimalist shoes, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly and natural-feeling shoe. Skip this one if you need more cushioning for rugged terrains, as it may not provide the support you're after. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for grip and traction. Product number 3, Salomon Speedcross 6. Now let's talk about the Salomon Men's Speedcross 6, which comes in at about $160.09. This shoe is all about that aggressive traction, and the sleek black design makes it stand out. If you want a shoe that can handle muddy trails and steep descents, this is worth considering. The Speedcross 6 is known for its unparalleled grip, thanks to the deep lugs on the outsole that dig into soft ground for stability. It also features a comfortable fit that conforms to your foot, reducing the chance of blisters on long runs. Plus, with a lightweight construction, you won't feel weighed down as you tackle those tough terrains. While it's new to the market with only a handful of sales, early reviews are promising. Now, a few users mentioned that the fit can be a bit narrow for wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a shoe that hugs your foot for precision and control, this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a trail runner tackling technical and muddy terrains. Skip this one if you have wider feet and need more room in your shoes, as it might not suit your foot shape. Next up, we have a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch with support. Product number 4, NORTIV 8 Trail Running Shoes. Next on the list is the NORTIV 8 Men's Wide Toe Box Trail Running Shoes, priced at $80.92. What caught my attention is the roomy toe box and stylish design, which is perfect for those who value both comfort and aesthetics. If you want a shoe that provides excellent breathability and a natural fit, this is worth checking out. These shoes feature a wide toe box that allows your toes to spread naturally, promoting better alignment and stability. The jacquard mesh upper is airy, helping wick away sweat and keep your feet dry during those intense runs. Also, the EVA midsole offers decent shock absorption, which is particularly beneficial for heavier runners. With over 50 sales recently, it's clear that people are appreciating the comfort factor. However, some reviews point out that the traction isn't the best on slippery surfaces. But here's the thing, if you mainly run on packed trails or pavement, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable shoe that balances comfort and style. Skip this one if your runs take you into very muddy areas, as the traction might not hold up well there. Finally, let's wrap up with a shoe that stands out for its cushioning and eco-friendliness. Product number 5, New Balance Fresh Foam X Guerrier V2. Last but not least, we have the New Balance Men's Fresh Foam X Guerrier V2 Trail Running Shoe, priced at $103.50. This one grabbed my attention with its cushioned design and eco-friendly materials. If you want a shoe that feels plush and respects the planet, this deserves your consideration. This is a huge plus for environmentally conscious runners. The no-sew construction provides a sleek fit, while the Toe Protect technology shields your feet from rocks and roots. Plus, the AT Tread outsole offers solid traction on various surfaces. With 50 sales recently, it's showing promise among runners. Some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky for speed work. Here's the thing though, if comfort is your main priority, especially on longer runs, this bulk might actually work in your favor. This is perfect for you if you prioritize cushioning and eco-friendliness in your running shoes. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option specifically for fast-paced training, as it might not suit your needs. That wraps up our list of trail running shoes. Each of these offers unique features, whether it's weather protection, grip, or cushioning. Make sure you pick the one that aligns with your trail running needs. To recap, we started with the Brooks Ghost 16 GTX for rain protection, followed by the budget-friendly WHITIN Zero drop shoes for a natural feel. Then we checked out the grip of the Salomon Speedcross 6, the comfort of the NORTI V8, and finally the eco-friendly cushioning of the New Balance Fresh Foam X Guerrier V2. Each shoe has its strengths, so choose one that matches your trail running style. Happy running!